Hello and welcome to my how to set up the AzurPoly C-160 Transall Paintkit for Blender. In the second half we'll take a look at Blender stencils and how to save the project we started. Sorry that not all windows were recorded, but I'll explain everything you need to know. First of all, we go to azurpolygroup.com, then to the resources site, and with clicking on Paintkit we'll start the download process. During the download we set up our stencil. Right mouse click on the logo and then open image in new tab. Go to the tab, again right click and copy image. Then we switch to paint.net, but you can do this in GIMP or Photoshop too. After starting a new project we scrub the image. Square stencils are easier to handle, but other forms work too. Go to image, then change size or simply press Ctrl R. Make sure pixel width and height are the same, 800 by 800 should fit, then click OK. Now press Ctrl V and drag the logo to the center. Press a few times Enter until nothing is selected anymore. Take the Magic Wand tool and select everything that isn't the logo. Press Delete and repeat. Make sure only the logo is left, and then save it as .png somewhere where you will find it again. After the download has ended, we extract the zip folder to our workspace. This could be wherever you like. Now let's jump in time. Open the Paintkit and find the FBX folder. In it you'll find the 3D model we'll import into Blender. Remember the place. Now open Blender. You see there's already some stuff we don't need. Click on empty space, then select all that is left from the project and hit delete. Go to File, Import and select the FBX importer. Go to the FBX folder from the Paintkit and select Transall Paintkit.fbx, then click on Open. The importer will take a few seconds, but then the 3D C-160 should appear. If you already know your ways in Blender, you can stop here. If you want to know how to attach the 2D texture files to the 3D model and how to apply some stencils, watch till the end. To attach the 2Ds, we first go to the shading page and give us an overview. Click for example on the engine and some data fields will appear on the lower half. Press Shift A and click on Search. Search for image texture and place the window in free space. After that, connect the yellow dots. Now press Open and search for the Mass folder in the Paintkit. Select the JPEG that fits your aircraft part best. If done right, you'll see the content of the JPEG wrapped perfect around your parts. Repeat that process until every part has its texture and no white spaces are left. You don't have to use the masks, you could use existing liveries too, but that's for another video. To use our stencil, go to Texture Paint, make yourself comfortable and click on the X-axis for a better view. Drag the model to the left and make sure you have the right part in object mode selected. Go back to Texture Paint and make sure you have the brush selected. And go to the last section on the right. Click on New and open the logo we made before. Now go to Tools and Workspace Settings and make sure you have selected White. 6 times F and strength 1000. Go to Texture and you'll already see the logo. Select Mapping, Stencil and Image Aspect. If you move the mouse to the paint area, you'll see our stencil. Right click and hold to drag the stencil to its destination. Shift right click and drag for zoom. Control right click and drag for rotation. If you like the position, left click and hold to apply the stencil to the model. You'll see a difference if it works. Let the left mouse go and you'll see the changes on the 2D texture on the left hand side. For logos, make sure symmetry is turned off. Click on the X-axis and repeat on the other side. Turn symmetry on and see what happens. When I let go, see there are more changes on the texture. Switch symmetry off again and turn to the other side. You will see stencils applied with symmetry are mirrored. When you are done, go to Image and click on Save As, or you will overwrite your masks. Create a new folder, choose a fitting name and save your JPEG. You have to repeat this for all of the images. To save your Blender workspace, go to File, Save As and select a name that fits, like transall.blend. Thank you all for watching. If you want to learn how to get your drawings into the right format, there are already some good tutorials on this topic. If you want to know how I do it, comment below or watch for my Twitch to go live. I sometimes stream my livery work on twitch.tv/endpro__. If you want to see my finished work, go to flightsim.to, profile Alex. You will find all my uploads, some of them for quite unique aircrafts, and follow me to stay up to date.